Hi, Wolfman here again with another tutorial. This is going to be something new and different. Um, I bought this hyper tough code reader at Walmart for 20 bucks. I've seen a lot of videos online with reviews and stuff and how to use it. So I'm going to plug this into my van because I know it has 5 codes, and I'm going to show you how to use it. And I'm going to show you more detail of how to use it, and also how to um, take the code, write it down on a piece of paper, and I'm going to show you how to look up the code and uh, explain how you can get more detail than what the meter is telling you. Um, but like I said, I've seen a lot of videos online on YouTube, and there is always one thing they leave out, and I don't know why. Maybe they don't realize it. But if you open the package at the top, there is a piece of cardboard. There's a piece of cardboard. Well, if you open that cardboard, there's instructions of how to use it. I did not use this. I just thought it'd be cool to add that in, and for somebody that might need it. So I'm gonna go out and plug this in, and I'll take you to the next step. Okay, I'm out here in my 2006 Town and Country. I went ahead and plugged in the meter. Alright, and it is powered up, but you still have to put the key in and turn it to the on position without starting it. Alright, now to scan, you hit enter. Oops, I got my phone. And now you can see I have 5 codes. So I want to read the codes. You scroll down one, and then this will pop up. You click enter to read the codes. You want to do your engine. The AT stands for automatic transmission, so you can scan your transmission. And you want to write down just this code right here. Don't worry about the little $10 sign, but just write down that code on a piece of paper. If you have more than one code, do it to all of it. I have 5, so all you have to do is scroll down, and there's information here, but I can get you a lot more information, and I'll show you how to do that on the next step. So I'm going to exit out of that. All you have to do is scroll down to automatic transmission. That's what the AT stands for. If you hit enter, there are no codes stored. That means my transmission is fine. And then I want to go to the previous screen. And then you could also do go to step 4 and hit I am readiness. You click enter. I'm going to do the engine. Oops. And here's where it scans. It takes like a picture of your whole system, and it tells you like what things are okay. Misfire is okay. Fuel system is okay. Computer components are okay. And it tells you, you just go through the list. Both sensors are all right. E.g., our system is okay. So I'm going to enter out of that anyway. I'm going to go back to the previous menu. And then I'm going to scroll down one more time. And then go to exit. Click on exit. Click yes. And that's how you exit the scanner. So now all you want to do is unplug this. And that will get rid of that. And then the last thing that you want to do is you want to turn off your car and pull out the key. Alright, now we're going to go back in the house, and I'll show you the next step. Alright, in this step, what you want to do is take the codes that you have. Yours will be different, but these are the ones I just got. and this is all the definition that was on the meter, but there's a lot more information on each of these codes, and I'm going to show you how to get those. So the first step you want to do is you want to take the code, and the second one is a 0, and it's not an O. So it's always like P0 404 P0. So don't mix that up. The O is not an O, it's a 0. Um, so anyway, the first step, I'll show you how to do this two different ways. Um, the first way is I'm going to take the second one because that's the more serious one that I'm having problems with. And I want to fix that problem first. So I'm going to take this code. You're going to need a cell phone or a computer to do this. So I'm going to take that second code, and I'm going to come down here and type it in Google. Right there's the code. I already typed it in, so I'm just going to click on it. And then it shows you a picture of the catalytic converter, and it gives you a little like article here and some information of what it could be wrong with it or what it is. Well, if you scroll down, and you can click on this right here, and it'll give you it's like a website. You click on it and it gives you more information. And if you don't like that, then back out of that, and if you scroll down, there'll be another one, and it just continues more and more. You just want to go like one by one to figure out which will give you the best information. So I'm going to click on this one. And it tells the meaning, causes, and symptoms, and fixes. And if you keep scrolling down, it gives you a lot of information and the causes and all that. So it gives you a lot more information. So that's how you get all the information to this. Because what you're trying to do is get all the information you can and on the code, so you have more knowledge, and hopefully it'll point you in the right direction of how to fix your car. Now the second step will be I'm going to take that same code and I'm going to type it in differently. I would start with this first. I have a 2006 Town and Country Touring, and that's what you want to put in, whatever vehicle you have. And you want to put the engine size in. My engine is 3.8, and then you put the code in last. And remember, that's a 0 and not an O. So after you get that typed in, you want to click on it. And there's my van. Again, it gives you a little article or information. And then just scroll down and start with the very first like website. Click on it, and then if you scroll down, you can read everything, all the symptoms, the causes, what it could be, all the things that it could be that triggered the code, or what it actually is, and then that point you in the direction of how to fix it. So I hope this helps you, and hopefully it'll get you back on track. Thanks. And so the question is this code reader, the Hyper Tough code reader at Walmart, for $20? Is it worth the price? And it's a great tool. My opinion, yes, it's a great tool, great to have. It's well worth buying, and you can't beat the price. So yeah, go buy it. It's worth it. I'd recommend it. And it's cheap. You don't have to take it to O'Reilly's or AutoZone, have it scanned. You don't have to take your car to a garage and maybe have them charge you like $50 to do the same thing that I just showed you in this video. So I hope this helps you, and I hope it get you back on track and point you in the right direction of how to fix your car. And if you come into a situation like the code I had with the catalytic converter, if you can't fix it, I mean, you say like you know what it is, but you can't fix it. You could also write down the code on a piece of paper and take it to a garage and tell them that I scanned my vehicle, this code popped up, and have them you just have to bite the bullet and have them look at it and fix it. And that's probably what I'm going to do with my van because of the catalytic converter, the clock catalytic converter, because they can scan the catalytic converter, which a lot of people don't know, and they can tell you if the catalytic converter is bad or not. Um, so, like I said, I hope this helps you. I hope you point you in the right direction. A great tool to have. I'm glad I bought it, and I would recommend this to anybody. So I hope you like this video. Thanks. Comment and like and tell me what you think. Thank you.